Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore TikTok posting automation using AI caption tools step by step clearly. To restore TikTok posting automation using AI caption tools, begin by assessing your current TikTok account setup. Ensure you have the latest version of the TikTok app installed on your device. Next, choose a reliable AI caption tool that suits your needs. Common options include tools like Caption, Descript, or InVideo. Sign up for an account with your chosen AI caption tool. After creating your account, familiarize yourself with the interface. Upload your video content to the AI caption tool. Once uploaded, select the option to generate captions automatically. Review the generated captions for accuracy and clarity. Make necessary edits to ensure the captions match your video's content. After finalizing your captions, export the video with embedded text. Next, open TikTok and navigate to the upload section. Select the newly edited video from your device. Add any additional music or effects you wish to include. Before posting, write a compelling caption to accompany your video. Schedule your post using TikTok's scheduling feature or a third-party tool. Monitor engagement once your video is live to evaluate the effectiveness of your captions. Adjust your strategy based on viewer feedback and interaction metrics. Repeat this process for your future TikTok posts to maintain consistency and automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.